Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make text template behind a portion in CapCut. So for example, I'm going to add this video and then I'm going to add a text template. Just click text and select this template here and select this one as you like. For example, just and then export the resize like this and resize, and you can change the text. For example, okay, just export. Click export button in the top right corner and then click export. Waiting the processing. Okay, just delete this text and then go to media and import that's created. And drag here and make this video as an overlay, just move up here like this, and then you can click cutout for remove the background. Just click auto cutout. Waiting the processing. Okay, is the video duration. So here we go. You can click the play button for the result. Okay, that's how to make text templates behind person in CapCut. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click links button for appreciate and share. Thanks. Bye bye.